Hey, chat. Is anybody on here? I keep hearing YouTube is down. What's going on out there? Not chat. What the fuck's going on? Hey, Tick Daddy. Jonathan Trentwell. Monica. Taylor. El Swee. El Swee. Where have you been? Investor Z. Real NV. Eddie. Coach Eddie in the house. Tick. Yeah. Apex doesn't pay their traders, only their influencers, only their low IQ affiliates. Coach Eddie. Hell yeah, bro. You gotta hit up fucking Joey's. You gotta hit up Joey's over on Eastern on the way to Anthem. And you gotta hit up fucking Good Pie in the Arts District. Dr. D, Corey, Josh, Konija. I don't know. I didn't make it. I think Tick Daddy made this one. Yeah, good. Good. Marcos. Cube. I mean, I don't blame him for doing that to that guy. Clinvale. Nah, this is a recording. This is a recording from the future. Coach HID. Oh yeah, I think that was Good Pie. The squares, was it the Sicilian looking slices? It was the upside down grandma. Fucking fire. Shit is fire. Are we green everywhere? I don't know. Let's take a little peek, huh? Take a little peek, see, huh? Eh? J Stores. I might finally actually get fucking filled. Let me just turn my screen sharing on. All right. I only traded. Well, I traded two. I traded two different firms. I traded my Apex, and I traded my Lucid. So here's my Apex. Well, dude, So watch this. I'm so fucking annoyed because I had my fib drawn here, and I was literally gonna put my order like right here to go long. I was like, shit, man, it might just fucking it kind of just looked like it might have dropped aggressively. So I went to the next low here and put my order at the 707, which was like right here, and I didn't get filled. And it popped like 50 points. I didn't need 50 points in this account, 554, but I wouldn't mind getting like 300, 400 bucks. And I just never got filled. This order's been sitting here for this whole fucking time. And I lowered it to the 786 after the fact. So it's just been sitting here waiting to get filled. But I did get a flip day in on this one, 560. So day 7's locked. I need one more fucking flip day to request 2,000. Get another payout on that account. That'll be the second payout on that account. And I got fucking 5 more evals after that fucking bullshit that happened on the stream. I literally got my take profit hit, and it took me out of 1 of 10 on all the accounts, and then it dumped. I got bottom ticked or worse, and then it fucking went and blew through my fucking take profit. It was the fucking biggest fucking bullshit ever. So we're gonna try again. And I did activate it. Oh, I activated this account. This is the one I passed yesterday. So that's activated. So I got a new PA. I got 15 PAs. trying to get another day in on this one. I think I got 2 or 3. Hold on, let me look. Chat. Damn, look at all those approvals. It's just because I'm a streamer. The only reason I get approved is because I'm a streamer. Not bad for a low IQ. Charts. 554. How many days am I on this fucking thing? One, two. Oh, I got 3 days of $50 or more. Could have had my 4th if I got fucking filled. If I got filled in this long here instead of fucking being a pussy and, you know, thinking it was going to go lower. Tim Morgan. Yeah, that's what it is, bro. Yep. Just churning and burning over here, right? It's the only reason why. You know what I should have done after my first ever denial? I should have fucking, you know what I should have done? 2 years ago, all the way down here. When I got denied here, I should have just said fuck Apex and fucking charged them back on everything and then never trade with them again. And then for this entire time, just fucking cry about them every fucking chance I get. That's what I should have done instead. Instead of just continuing to fucking grow the account or get more and just keep getting paid. Oh, look, I got denied here 8 times in a row. Yeah, complained for 2 years. Still complain. You see? Wild jail. What up, Jordan? Is prop firms one of the best things I discovered? Yeah. Probably one of the best, Carmino Code. Second to fucking email marketing. Second to online marketing as a whole. Learning how to make money on the internet was the best thing I ever discovered in my life. It's been buttering my bread since fucking 2005. And been buttering my bread full time as like not having a fucking boss or anyone to answer to since July 3rd, 2013. Let's see what the fuck's going on here. Oh, here's what else I did. Got a happy little $436 with Lucid. Day 3 of 5. If I could just get $150 on the next 2 days, I'll be able to request like $850 plus $850-ish on each of these accounts. J Stores. Yeah, exactly, bro. But you're not out there fucking crying about it every other fucking minute. You just moved on and you trade the firms that you could trade with. Michael Gianos. Jordan, you want me to butter your bread? You want me to butter your biscuits? V33. Just walk away. McDonald's is safe. Oh, my God. Simplistic, what up? Montclair. It's cold as fuck over there, huh? Just walk away. Yeah, at the first little minor inconvenience. J Stores. Yeah, I got some of those too. J Stores. Oh, my God. Oh, nice. Hey, Jordan, that's a nice one. How hard can it be? Peter Schaap. Peter Schaap is here. Smash the like button for Peter Schaap and Trevor LeConte. Damn, Peter Schaap. There he is. Vince. Oh, man. Come on, Granny. This fucking, what is this, a 200? Is this the 200? Peter Shaft. Pizza's here. Oh, man. I can hang out for like another hour and a half or so before I have to leave to go hit some baseballs. You need the VWAP. Where is the VWAP? Is it above us? Where's the VWAP? Oh, it's up here. I would love that for you, bro. I would totally love that for you, but I want it to come down and fill me first. And then you could have your VWAP. Everything's good, Peter Schaap. 726. That's not that bad. That's doable. You might get it right now. You might fucking get that shit right now. Right now. Right? If you could get beyond this fucking 34 here, you got the 5 minute. Yeah, see? You're going to get it. Or you're going to, there it is. You get it? Did you get it? You had to have gotten that shit. It just hit 726.25. Or did you just get fucking top ticked? Please tell me you got that, bro. Kenny. 4 hours. There you go. There you go. Hey, I'm here. Hey, listen. I'm here. I'm a man of the people. I'm a man of the people. I wanted it to come down lower, but if you look here, let's see here. Watch this, chat. I'm just going to draw a happy little Fibonacci right here from that low to this high. Oh, look. I mean, we retested the 786 a few times, but it just keeps fucking, this is like some solid area of support for now. Nice. So now you're good to go. Just ain't right. Mwah! Mike Fab, what up? Yeah, I definitely don't want to get into some fucking trade that's going to keep me trapped for 4 hours. This is probably what's going to happen. Jinxed me, Kenny. You fucking jinxed me, pal. Yeah, I can tell that YouTube is fucked up. YouTube is down. Like, YouTube's having issues right now. Like, if I go to down detector, 32,000 services. Damn. Oh, well, that's just YouTube. YouTube, look at YouTube. That's a lot of reports. Shit is fucked. Most reported problems, app, website, login. Let's see what people are saying. Why has this turned into straight chaos? The government is monitoring us. Marcus Aurelius. Is that a hobbit? We got some fucking interesting people. And these are all like a minute ago. Chuz be like, brah. All right, what's going on here? Bobby Digital. How do I decide where to put my fibs? I look for highs and lows. Concept. That's like, I know it sounds fucking very basic and low IQ, but that's really all I'm doing, bro. I'm not doing anything special. Here, like, look. And I have them at all different, in all different areas. But look, here's a low, here's a high, and it's just, I'm just looking at it, And then you could do it the other way. Let me get rid of this one. You could do it the other way too. Look, watch this. I missed this. I wish I was paying attention. But look, here's a high, one of the like recent highs. Here's a low, and look, we fucking traced. We came back and rejected off the 707 for how many fucking points? 41 down to fucking. It was like a 30-point rejection. That's not terrible. And then like here's some trades I took. This is gold. This is gold, right? Here's the low. Here was a high. This was a high from before. Look, I got filled at the 7.8. I had an order at the 707 and the 786. I got filled in both, I think. Maybe not. Maybe just this one. The first trade I took. And then I had an order. Let me get rid of that. Don't need this anymore. Oh, I got filled here too. This was from a larger time frame. This right here was from a larger time frame. This was a 707. We bounced off the 786 and then we retested it and I got in long, I think, something like that. But then on another larger time frame, I had a fib. My original fib was like right here, this high and this low, and I got filled. Look, I got filled at the 7. I got filled at a little bit above the 707 because I was using a different high. I adjust my highs too. This shit is fluid. So like I might have had my original high here. This is my original high. So I got filled here. And then I moved it up more because I just had this feeling. And then I had an order based on this being the 786 from this high. I got filled in both. And then I caught another fucking however much there. And I think that was the last trade I took that pushed me over $436 total. Pushed me at $436 on day 3. That was with gold. Now, I mean, if I were to draw this, if I were to find the next high, watch this. Let me get rid of all of these, right? We're going to get rid of all of them. Clean up the chart. Now, this is the last low. Don't think this is the last low, but from this high, this is the last low. Watch what happens here. So on Tradeovate, you got to draw it the opposite way. You start from the low and you go to the high. Look what we rejected right off the 707. Just about. It just missed it by what? 3-5 ticks. And look, we're going down. We're down fucking. We went down 100 ticks. Now, can it keep going up higher? Of course. But it's you're gonna get, at the very least, if it plays out where like it rejects at these levels, you're gonna get a scalping opportunity at the very least. I feel like 100 ticks is a little bit more than a scalping opportunity, depending on your size. So that's how I do it. I just literally all fucking day on the this is a larger time frame, and we're talking almost 2:00 p.m. Eastern, which was 6 hours ago or 7 hours ago. Yeah, Konaja. Yeah, a lot of people are having trouble. Free fit. Hey, you guys are lucking out. This is free. I'm not going to charge this. I don't even like purple. I don't even like purple for my Ferrari. I should fucking charge. I want that money. I want that Ferrari money. Bacon. Yeah, that's how you got to find me. The homepage isn't even loading. Yeah, no problem, man. Does that make more sense though? Just like get a gold Lexus. Hell yeah. With the gold L's and shit. I'm on my third 20-plus-year-old Lexus. I'm always looking for more. Yeah, I was aware that YouTube was down. As I was about to fucking get ready to come on here, people were saying how it was down. I was like, fuck it, I'm going on anyway. Whatever. I mean, it's such a fucking long way down from here. I don't know if it's going to come down here. That's what I want right there. YouTube's down, but we're here. We out here. Bobby Digital, no problem, man. Thank you. It's crazy. Some of these guys get a fuck ton more fucking people on their streams than me. I'm like, sometimes I scratch my head. I'm like, how? I need to ask them for advice. I'm gonna ask them for coaching. Coach HID, bro, I bet that shit, what happened to it? I was about to say, I bet that's just still out there driving, unless you totaled it. You know what I mean? Tiger gets a fuck ton of people. He fulfills that dopamine the dopamine hit that people need to hear fucking orders getting filled like constantly. Yeah, I could see. You could see the What up, Diamond Murphy? You can see the subscriptions on the left-hand side, which a lot of people don't even fucking see mine anyway. Even if they are subscribed to me, I'm never on there. Just ain't right. He does. He gets a fuck ton of people. I wasn't even talking about him. Like some of the other ones I scratch my head at, but it's all right. Simplistic. They work in my favor pretty good. Like I'll make adjustments, right? I have stops in place. I mean, let me show you. What can I show you? 538. That one, I've had this account for a while. Let me show you 538. I've had this account for a really long time. 1 denied payout because of some bullshit with Trade Evade, and then 2 approved payouts for 2,000. So I've had this shit, for weeks. Let's just say this year. I mean, 64% of the time, it works for me. Obviously, there's some nuances to that, but that's pretty fucking good. What else can I show you? I just got paid on all of these. 567. 89% of the time. I just got fucking paid on that one. 569. 568 to 575 are all going to have the same results. 58% of the time. Still got a payout times 8. Times fucking 8. 561 and 562. Those got traded together. 88% of the time. That's how, so let's just say 65, 70%. Let's see with Take Profit Trader. %76 of the time. MAGA Musketeer. I have not gotten 5 payouts from a single account. I've gotten 4. I was working on my 5th. They didn't ban him, though. It was a 30K payout. They didn't ban him. Can he still trade those funded accounts, those 20 accounts he just got paid on? He's not completely banned. I have a feeling that guy is the only 20 accounts he's ever gotten with them. He got 20 accounts and just ran them up for 30 grand. No more evals. Does he have any blown evals? He could always reset those or keep the subscriptions active. I doubt it, though. I have a feeling he's the type of guy that he fucking raids prop firms for fucking max profits. But good for him. He's great. Hold on a sec. Jillian, do you need me? What's up? What? $40? How about this? I'll keep this and I'll just transfer money to you.
Yeah.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to like bring this to the ATM.
No, I just want you to put it in my.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no problem. No problem.
No, yeah.
Where do you want it? Well, I'll put it wherever I can.
Just put it in my checking, and if I want to put it in my savings, I will.
Okay. Pleasure doing business with you.
Yeah.
Trades by Nayo. It's his first 20 accounts. They know something. God bless him. He's great. Remember, they denied him initially. And then he went through the proper channels, whoever he had access to, and they ended up approving his payout. Why are we leaving that minor fucking detail out? Charge interest. She owes me her life. I tell her, you wouldn't be here if it wasn't for me. Hot shot, what up, man? Yeah. People leave that fucking minor detail out. He can still trade those 20. He can still keep getting payouts on those 20 accounts, and he probably will. Yeah, if you can't have any more emails, yeah, but you're not banned. He's not banned. They didn't tell him he can't trade. They didn't tell him he can't. They didn't terminate his funded accounts. He can't buy new accounts. That's all. Olivier, there must be something going on with him. What up, Olivier? But that's none of my business. What am I supposed to do? Should I just stop telling people that Apex is 90% off with the best fucking code, 0DayJ? Should I do that? Only low IQ people recommend Apex to people. Anyway, so whatever. I'm low IQ. Come on, drop this shit. Yo, you just my style. You would think there'd be like 5 bajillion people watching me right now. Topson's trying real hard. What's fucked up, Bowser, is gold is still fucking in some. Gold is still volatile as fuck. We had a 1,700 plus tick range yesterday. Coach HID. They added more limits on gold. They're already fucked. They're too. I think it's just FUBAR for them. I mean, they'll survive, but man, they really fucked themselves with how they've been acting lately. It's like they took a class on how to fuck up any type of goodwill you have with a prop firm. They took that class and executed perfectly. Let's see where they're at on fucking Trustpilot. Keep jabbing, buck up, and keep jabbing with your 3.4 rating. Great fucking job. Great fucking job. Any five, look at all, you see these right here? I was talking about this last night. Any 5-star review they're getting now is because they talk to support and support begged them or bribed them with a 5-star review to get them whatever they were asking for. Customer support is, I got real customer support. Bruno is real. And then the real people that are getting fucked by the firm are fucking saying the truth. Every single 5-star review, the best customer service response time. Really good customer service shown by Khalil. So they're hitting up support. They're finally hearing back from them, and they're basically bribing them in exchange for a fucking 5-star review. We'll help you with your problem. That's what it seems like. Motion Capital, what up? TJP. That's right. The best fucking code. The best fucking code. This guy's fucking crying. This guy just got approved for 30 grand and now he's fucking crying. Let the money hit your bank account first, bro. Let the money hit your bank account first and then cry. Then maybe you should charge them back and then cry about them for fucking 2 years. Oh my God. Simplistic. I just draw fibs. I do like drawing tan lines. I do draw a lot of tan lines also, but I haven't drawn any in a couple of days. Oh my God, man. It's just not happening. But watch this. I don't like that. I don't like these. But look, we're at the 786. Let's see if this holds. Just from this low to this high. I don't really like it. I want to go. It might hold there, but I don't know. I just wanted it to come down here. Like that right there. The guy fucking literally is getting 30 grand. He got denied and then reached out through the proper channels, probably had a contact or someone told him who to reach out to. Got that shit reversed, getting paid 30 fucking grand. Wait for the fucking money to hit your bank account before you start crying about not being able to buy any more evals. Some people just don't fucking get it. He should have got a code Zinc. That's what he should have done. Free, yeah, Josh, it's something. Josh, they're doing some sort of bribery. Some sort of fucking bribery with customer support. It's the only reason that 5-star reviews are coming in at all. Watch. Oh, look, I had some issue with a subscription, forgot to cancel. It was kind of confusing, but thanks to Amber, who helped me. Very caring and understanding customer support. Laura actually decided to help me out anyway. It's always that. My experience. But the people that are getting fucked, retroactive rule changes, support, the support is great. I heard people aren't getting fucking help from support for like days and weeks. Constant rule changing, traded with this firm for over 3 years. Like, that's the real shit right there as far as I'm concerned. Keeps getting worse, changing rules to suit them. Yeah, this guy. Checks in the mail. Oh, Aaron fucking helped me out. Checks in the mail. CEO's having a midlife crisis. Unfair payout rejection and account block. Used to be a good firm. Very unreliable platform. They cocked it up big time. Just disgusting. See, I think it's going to go higher. I'll put an order right fucking here. For this account. Let's cancel this shit. Bowser. Did they really? They let you cancel a charge and then ask for a review. Yeah, exactly. Marcos, fake as fuck. They're bribing people. Oh, we'll take care of this for you. As long as you give us a fucking review, a 5-star review on Trustpilot. Dr. D. Maybe. I've seen plenty of people who don't have a following like he does get denied a payout, reach out to the proper channels and get that reversed. I've seen it happen in my own Discord. So I guess you could say that. Here's the best part, bro. Don't buy an account with them. You're probably not doing anyway. Go trade with Top Step. Funding Ticks 2.0. They're better. Not. Oh, V33, absolutely, bro. That's like they call that like reputation management, right? That's what the gig was officially called. I mean, there's somebody in the Discord who does not have a single fucking follower on social media who's been paid 150 grand from Apex. No denials or anything in like the last 6 weeks. Simplistic, yeah, you could trade it all day. It plays out on the shorter time frames and the larger time frames, but you just got to wait. Jay Stores, right? Oh, YouTube's back? I know, Josh, exactly. There's so many other fucking firms out there. Stop crying about Apex. Don't trade with them. The only reason why I get approved on all my payouts is because I'm an influencer, right? That's the only reason why. Damn. It's because I got a YouTube channel. It's the only reason why I get approved. Yeah. Someone likes, hey, my fund. Oh, I don't know about that, but Tony C likes my fund the futures better. There you go. Go trade with them. No one's putting a gun to your head to use the best code 0DayJ, which also works at my fund the futures, by the way. In case you were wondering. Tony C, if you ever want to have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate with my fund the futures, put in the best code 0DayJ. There's so many other firms out there. It could be worse. They could be funding ticks. They could be Top Step. Could be really bad. And then people always complain about the fucking 30% drawdown rule. How about you put a fucking stop in there? You know what I'm saying? Like, God. Maybe I'm just being an asshole. I mean, Tony C, you don't have to, obviously, bro, but it is the best fucking code. There's so many other firms out there. There's so many firms out there that people have lists. And then people like to point to how many accounts I have and all this shit. I'm doing baby numbers compared to some of these other guys. Baby numbers. Yeah, change size down, and fucking have a stop loss. Thanks here, right? You know what I mean? I get it. Shit happens, right? Shit does happen, and you could get caught in some fucking crazy fucking flash move that goes against your position, and you haven't put your stop in place yet, or whatever. I get it, but if it happens all of the time, maybe it's you. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. Maybe I'm just an asshole. Maybe I'm just an asshole for just stating the obvious. I'm not saying, I'm not, and I don't put a gun to anyone's head to trade with them. I don't put a gun to anybody's head to say use the best fucking code 0 day J. I can't help that it has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate according to the prop from streets. I can't control that. That's just the facts. What made me only trade the fibs? Because I went on a stretch where I was getting blown around with the wind, and I just decided, once I realized that the fibs play out all day, I just said I'm going to wait for them. It seems to be working pretty good for me. It seems to be working pretty good. 135,000 in payouts since October 16th. 110,000 in payouts since December 1st. I'm over 31,000 this month, and I'm about to in 2 days. I'm requesting 2,000 on this one. 2,000 is being requested on this one. I just need one more day, one more flip day for the second payout. I'm fucking 2 days. Look at this. I just drew that. Look, I just drew this shit. Now, is it going to hold there? Is it going to reject? I don't know. It could. I mean, it was already an opportunity there. It could, but it could keep going. It's fucking gold, so who the fuck knows? But having these on the charts and being honest with them, right? Not just fucking drawing it to suit my bias, but looking for the proper highs and lows, it helps me. It forces me to wait. I don't fucking care about anything else. I just wait. And there's times you see me do it. You see me get burned where it just blows through the level. It happened to me last night. I blew my trade day accounts. I didn't make the adjustment. It just fucking, it was some sort of news event. It didn't give a fuck about my fib. Yeah. Yeah. Tick Daddy made that. Mr. Beg Beef. This is hard to watch. I'm a fucking asshole, right? It's me. And then people give me shit like I'm the only one who can still trade with fucking Apex. They use me as a fucking example. My friends, my supposed fucking friends. Punisher, what up? Trading Joe, what's good? Austin. I've been trading the NQ with Apex. You haven't been able to trade gold with Apex for fucking a week and a half now. All of these payouts that I locked and secured were all from trading fucking. When did they get rid of? Hold on, let's see. That's the best fucking Discord community on the prop from streets right there. But let me go to Apex when they announced it. Notice board. Due to market volatility, Apex that was on a Wednesday night. So basically That was like Wednesday, right before the market. I don't know if that was fucking Eastern. That was specific, right as the market reopened, they made this announcement. So I haven't traded gold since fucking the Wednesday trading session on February 4th. So Thursday's session, Thursday, Friday, all of last week, 7 trading days and 8 trading days. I'm in my 9th trading day. I only fucked up one time, and it was my group of 6 accounts. But I've locked in payouts. Like all of these accounts, I had to trade DNQ to lock in the payouts. Look, I requested on the 6th. I had to trade DNQ. Obviously, some of them were already getting real close to a payout, but not all of them. I had to fucking I had to trade the NQ. I mean, I have to trade the NQ, but that's what I chose to trade. I'm not fucking with the YM. I'm not fucking with the ES on funded accounts. I'm fucking with what's familiar to me. All right, let's see. Is it gonna hold here? Is it holding here? Did I get filled? I don't even fucking know. I'm about to get filled, I think. Look. Is it not gonna fucking fill me? Is it gonna reject off of this fucking shit? Are you fucking serious? The 707. You fuck. Come up a little more, you motherfucker. Anyway. Smash the like button. Smash it for Trevor LeConte. Shari, what's up? I still trade gold. Tick Daddy, I'm still trading gold. Just not with Apex. This was with gold. This was with gold. I think I'm going to get filled. I'm about to hear this shit go off. Look. All gold. All gold. Let's see what my win rate is on this shit. On these accounts. %68.97%. Oh my fucking God, it came within fucking, are you kidding me? It came within fucking 2 points. I thought I was getting filled for sure. I'm moving it up a little bit more. Hold me. Well, yeah, I mean, I was 100% on gold until I was forced to not be. I have, oh man, are you kidding me? Couldn't come up a couple more fucking points. I had no choice. What was I going to do? Just stop trading? You know what I should have done? I should have just filed a bunch of chargebacks and said, fuck all my 20 PAs. I should have just charged them back because I couldn't trade gold. And then for the next 2 years, just fucking cry about them. Oh man, this shit's too fucking funny. The jokes just write themselves. Just walk away. I'll go in every fucking Discord there is and fucking cry about them and tweet about them every day and and fucking take shots at my own fucking friends in the process. Use their fucking account numbers. Jordan, bro. I know, bro. I know. I need it to come back up though, and then drop. Let it go a little higher and then dump. It's too easy. It's too easy. Yeah, get paid out in 3 weeks. I'm not saying they're a bad firm, but they're not for everyone. I want my fucking money. Pay me my fucking fee for fucking letting you fucking peddle that shit in my Discord, in my fucking community that I busted my ass to fucking build myself. I want that fucking money, dog. Right, Danks here? What do you think? Pay me back. Pay me that fucking money. You don't get any of that shit without me. Not you, obviously. He knows what I'm talking about. They actually reached out to me on my Instagram. I might have to hit them back. Eric J, what up? I should have just. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one just to be a dick. Oh, someone over at Perdea. They hit me up. They showed up in like the request section on my Instagram. I'm like, bro, they obviously don't watch my fucking streams. Like, watch my stream. You'll know how to reach out to me. Trading Joe. Hold on a sec. What's up, Robin? One sec. Uh-oh, it's retesting the 707 and it's going to drop, I think. I hope it goes higher so I can get filled up here. I just missed getting filled both times, twice trading this account, trying to trade this account. Oh, maybe I do get filled. Jordan, those accounts, Wild J, that's Jordan. Those accounts are like $400 after a fucking discount. They're not for everyone. And I had to fucking go in there and make sure everybody was aware that they're not for everyone. All the time. Those you basically get per dia accounts when you fucking like maxed out everything else, or you have displayed the ability to get consistent payouts, and you could get payouts anywhere you go. That's when you get one of those accounts. Labia, what up? Yeah, Jay Stores. That's the thanks I get, bro. That's the thanks I get. They send an email about, I don't even know. You probably got an email from they use like a third-party service. Is this gonna fucking drop now? Come on, man. Are you not gonna fill me? Am I gonna have to fucking chase? Damn it. I don't know. What's gold doing? Hey, look, gold held at that level. Look. So far, gold's holding at this level. I don't know if it's going to stay holding at this level. But look. I mean, it wicked a little bit above it, but we're 30 ticks below the 786. And if you count this wick, it's down 60 ticks. By the way, if you're not hanging out in the best community, it's here. It's free. It's free for now. It's better than most paid communities. Is it fucking, oh my God, I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Fucking piece of shit. Couldn't just go up 2 more fucking points for me. Tick Daddy, yeah. Probably. Oh, fuck me, man. Gotta be fucking kidding me. But look, I mean, the 707 held. That's why the 707 is great too. I'm just being conservative with the NQ for whatever reason. I had my order at the 786. I had it here at like 63.75 and it just missed it. And then it just retested the 707 and dropped fucking how many fucking points? 60 to 18 points. I would have loved 18 points. TJP. Yeah, of course. Yeah, the fibs are great, man. The fibs are great. The other thing about the fibs is like it's not like you don't have to use it the way I use it. It's like all I wait for is the fibs. But like whatever other setups you like to trade, the fibs can give you extra confirmation to give you more confidence in whatever you're looking at. You know, that's another thing that they're used for. But they're good. They're fantastic. Let's see if gold's holding. Yeah, 70 ticks. I don't know if it's going to keep dropping, but 70 ticks is nice, especially if it's a mini, but it's kind of hard to trade minis. Timothy Chapo. See, like, I fucking feel like I don't know, man. I feel like we could go up higher. Oh, I see what I did wrong here. No, here it is. I feel like we could go up here. Like I can move my fib high to this, right? And like we could get up in this area. What the fuck is this anyway? Is that a fib? Yeah, it's gone. Which changes things, especially after we just dropped like that. I don't know. Like a Tim Waltz. Yeah, that's fucking Jay Jordan, man. Great job. You were more aggressive. You took an order at the 707 and you got paid for it. Mr. Begbeef is begging me to not redraw fibs as much. I don't mind redrawing them or expanding them. I don't know. That's just how I like to do it. This shit's probably going to go lower. Just missed getting filled. Here, down here, but from before. It's fucking annoying. We barely moved though. Like the market reopened. Here's the range on the NQ so far. Basically 700 to 7. We're in like a 60-point range on the NQ since it reopened. This is it right here. Oh, sorry, 780 to 700. We opened at 780 and dropped to 700 and then bounced. Oh, well, yeah, 783 right there. Yeah, there it is. That's where we opened and just dropped to here. Which was literally the 786. From that low and that to that high. Look at that. Like right on it. Right on it. But I was being fucking conservative and cautious, and I moved it down here. So I had my order at the 707, like a little bit above it, and I just missed getting filled, and I didn't chase. Here's another example of me not getting fucking filled. It's fucking annoying. I mean, I was right about the move. I just didn't have my order in the right spot, and I didn't want to chase. I just don't like to chase, although I should. There's definitely plenty of times when I should chase. Crank, what up? Well, this is the Well Charts builds this. Well Chart draws this fucking trend line on its own. I don't do that, but I could draw it. When I remember to, I draw trend lines. Sometimes I remember to look for them, and other times I don't. But we clearly broke a trend here. Like if I draw a tan line, if I draw a tan line from here to here, we broke that shit. Then I could draw another one from here, and we broke that shit to the upside. But now that like I'm just drawing it right now, I could draw it here. That's the thing about trend lines. It's kind of like the fibs. You could kind of draw them wherever you want, while also at the same time not being completely fucking true to yourself. But right now we literally barely have fucking moved. This is I mean, if I could draw, let's see. Here's the NQ. That's a 4 hour. Let's do let's find a 15-minute. On the 15-minute, I could draw this. Here's the 15-minute chart. Got that wick here, and you got this right here, which is kind of like what I just drew anyway. On the hourly, she thought it was Epstein. Yeah, see, Jordan took that trade because he had more confirmation. He felt more confident about it because he saw the 50 moving average. You guys are funny. Like if this goes up, I'm gonna. I'm like I have a feeling. Like this is another reason why I miss opportunities too. Like I don't trust this anymore. Now that I expanded it to the next high, I don't trust this as a good spot. I'm gonna move this up more. I just don't fucking trust it. So I'll move it up to the 707 higher up. Maybe it holds there. Watch this goes to the 786 now. Now it's going to hit the 786 all the way up here. The hardest part is being patient. The hardest part is also like, you know, faking yourself out because you're not sure where, you know, where you should fucking draw it from. Like that happened to me earlier. It's not that I faked myself out. I just missed out on an opportunity. So instead of treating this as the low, which I probably should have, I would have gotten filled. I would have had my order like here, a little bit above it. I would have gotten filled and I would have had my day done. I didn't. I moved it down because I was just being conservative. I was being cautious, extra cautious. I was like, this is the, I'm going to treat this as the low. And I had my order above, just above the 707, which was just below the 786 when I had this, when I treated this area as the low. So there's that aspect of it. What is that? Oh, how's it feel? It helps it? Oh, good. Very nice.
Did you put the money in?
No, I didn't. Not yet. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
You won't forget?
No, of course not.
Do you like them?
I'm as if they make you feel better, yeah, of course. Now watch this. This is the funny thing about the fibs. I wonder if it's going to hold here. I don't know if it will. But watch this. It might. I've seen it happen. I've seen it fucking like in this very short period of time come up to the 786 and then reject, or the 707 and reject. I don't know if it's going to happen here, but we'll keep it there just in case it does, and then I'll get rid of it. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't get to take any trades yet, but whatever. I'm just going to wait. We just wait. See, gold ended up fucking bouncing. So after that, I mean, let's see, from this high to that low. See, at one point, look, you had this high here, this low, and it rejected off the 707 once already. For how many fucking ticks? $700 tick rejection there. Now it's filling that, and maybe it comes up here. Or maybe it just keeps going even higher, and then I would expand this shit. That's how I would do it. But to the next high, or the next high. I like to keep shit low IQ, brain dead simple. What up, pawn? Simplistic. Yeah, I mean, I missed opportunities. I mean, this wouldn't have been, see, yeah, it's breaking through that, which is fine. That's fine. Oh, fuck. I didn't want to do that. I did not want to fucking copy it. Get rid of that. Oh, fuck me. Remember, the 786 was around here, and I moved it up. I got to fucking redraw this because I fucked it up. So I had it here. My order for the 786 was right here. And then after we dropped and did that drop right there, which was what, how many fucking points? 25 points. I expanded it to the next high, which was, I mean, I could bring it here, but really I put it here, and now I have my order just below the 707. Will it get filled? I don't know. I hope it does, because I want to fucking trade. I'm just not forcing anything. I just chill. I just chill and wait. That's when I do the best. Chilling and waiting. Yeah, Crank. The fibs are great on the NQ. This shit is moving so fucking slow, though. It's a snooze fest. Gold is, however, moving a lot faster. Let's see if this shit keeps going up. 940. I got this fib already over here. This is that fib. There's also like, there's also this high and this high. We'll see. Well, I look for bounces and rejections at the 786 or the 707 or both, depending on how close they are to each other. What up, Stop Hit? What's going on here? Ooh. See, this is the 786 that I would have gotten filled at if I kept my order there. So I would have gotten filled around here. And I'd be down 4 points already. Does this hold here? Maybe. But it's fine. I just didn't trust it going up just a little bit more and then rejecting. I'm curious if this fucking drops now. Well, yeah. Yeah, that's Cash Patel sent me. Cash sent me. He wants one of your eyes looking this way and one of your eyes looking the other way. There it goes. I really think it's going to go higher. This is why I canceled the order. I just didn't trust it anymore after it just missed filling me and then drops. If it ends up dropping, then, oh, well, I missed another opportunity. There'll be more. There'll be plenty more opportunities. My night's going pretty fucking good anyway, right? I locked in day 7 on this, so it'll be another $2,000 I'm going to be requesting Thursday after the market closes. I locked day 3, I'm working on my second payout with all 5 of these funded flex accounts. I got 3 days in. I just need 2 more. So I'm feeling fucking good. No, there's no sense in forcing anything. fucking battery's dying over here. Let's see. I would be down $100 right now. If I didn't fucking move that order up further. You see, guys, look at that shit go. You see, guys, I'm glad I did. I'd be down. Look, it just went up. My order was at fucking 63 and change. I'd be down $120 at that spot right there. Shit is moving in. Let's see what gold's doing. Shit, nothing's moving. You know what's gonna happen? As soon as I get off the stream and it's time for me to go fucking hitting and shit, it's gonna start popping. Let's see. I'm gonna fall asleep watching this shit. It's taking fucking ever to do anything. Sorry, I'm texting my boy. My boy fucking Tony from Hawaii. Yo, what up, Saad? Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Oh my god, is this thing on? Is this shit on? Rank Gap, what up? I'm just fucking waiting. I think this is another reason why I don't have as many people watching my streams anymore, because I just sit here and wait. It's not as exciting or sexy, but it's getting me fucking paid. So what am I supposed to do? Is it going to roll over here? Now, this level is nothing to do with, this is some other shit. This is actually a fib for a bounce. This is a larger time frame fib, this line right here. If I zoom out, it's actually the midline. from this fib where we bounced off the 786 with this being the low. I don't even need it anymore, so let's just get rid of it. There. Rick. Hey, Mom, what up? The ugly side of trading. K9, what's good? How many evals did I buy today? With Apex, 15. I literally had I had 5 of them passed. Was anybody on the Power Hour stream and saw what happened to me? It literally hit my take profit and only took me out of 1 of the 10 on each of those 5 accounts. And then it went down and bottom ticked me and then went and to blow the accounts and then went up and fucking blew through my take profit. It was fucking amazing. That was the dumbest shit ever. It would only happen to me. I talk about the shit like that happening to me, and I'm not making it up when I say that shit like that fucking happens to me. Yeah, I heard YouTube was down. I mean, people were hanging out, but a lot of YouTube wasn't working. Crank. Oh my God, yeah. Green candle. I just want to get back to 20 funded accounts. I mean, I had it in the bag and they didn't give it to me. But the PA fees for Apex, they're still 75 and 95. Look. Discounts. So this is the pricing. 50Ks are $19.70. The larger size accounts are $39.70. The 150s, 250s, and 300s. And the lifetime activation fee on the 25, 50s, and 100s are still 75. And on the 150s, 250s, and 300s, they're still 95. They were 135 a couple of weeks ago. The last 90% off deal. Now they're cheaper. Now they're $40 less. All-in costs on the 50K is less than $100. It's like $94, $95. Yeah, I did notice that, Crank. I was so fucking pissed. It was 2 ticks below. I think it had something to do with the spread at that time of day. It makes sense, but I don't care. It fucking pissed me off. That was the biggest bunch of bullshit ever. Green candles, how many evals did you buy? If I could trade only one firm, I'm not going there. If I probably take Profit Trader. Yeah, if I could trade only one firm, I want the Talladega Nights plan from Fast Track or some funding ticks. Yeah, you know why? Because the day one, I mean, I don't really care that much about day one payouts, although it's doable. I know people do it often. I just don't go for it anymore. The daily payouts once you're over the buffer. This is really not going to fucking come up any higher. Come on, baby. Who blew a bunch of fundeds last night? Is this just another? Are you turning out to be another fucking clown too? I'm just curious. I blew 3 of my 27 funded accounts. %of my funded accounts. Is that a bunch? And I already locked in another payout. I didn't blow a bunch of funded accounts last night. I guess this is holding here. Yeah, I'm with you. I mean, Lucid's great. I like Lucid a lot. I just don't. You can't get paid every day from them. There's something about those daily payouts for me personally. Yeah, Rick, of course, man. Guy's just being a fucking jerk off. So if I left that order there, I'd be fucking, well, no, I'd be basically back to break even. At this point right here, I would have been down 140 bucks. Now I'd be back to break even. Does it keep going down? Is it gonna fucking dump here? I don't know. They don't have daily payout, Crank. I mean, maybe if you go live, I don't know what happens when you're live, but you can't get paid daily on any of their accounts. Lucid's is shit, man. Those Lucid flexes are great. That's what I like to trade. That's what these are. Have I ever considered those? I've traded those in the past. Olivier, I don't know, man. You know when I really liked the 150Ks? Before they implemented the safety net rule. Before they made you have to go beyond the safety net to get a payout. If I wanted to get a max payout of $2,750 on a 150K, I'd have to grow the account to $7,350 in profit. If I want to get just the bare minimum of $500, I'd have to grow it to $5,100. You used to only have to go to 5,100 to get 2,750. That's a totally different story. I don't know. I don't think it's worth the extra drawdown you get for it. I don't know. And you got to still pass those accounts. You still need 9,000 to pass. The 50Ks have been my sweet spot everywhere I trade. So I just focus on that. This shit is literally not fucking moving. Wow, it ended up, look, I would have had 7 points there. No, I would have had 7 points there. And then I'd basically be back to break even. I don't know, whatever. I missed another trade. Oh, well, I didn't get filled. Fucking green everywhere. I'm green here. Got a day locked here. I got day 7 locked here. We'll be requesting a max payout tomorrow or Thursday. Sorry, Thursday after the market closes. Lucid Black, the closest thing, but you got to run those fuckers up, man. You got to run that shit the fuck up. And you got a 40% consistency rule on it on top of that. They're cool accounts. If you could run up a balance with some consistency, they're great accounts because you could get paid fast. I'm just done trying to do shit like that. It just doesn't make sense for me. Nice job, Options Exchange. Nice fucking job. Let's see what happens here. What's going on here? Anything? These candles are small. How many ticks is this candle? 238. Not even 20 ticks. Another one you blew a bunch of accounts yesterday. Stupid. I feel like I'm dealing with people who live in, like, some of these people live in their mom's fucking basement still, or their granny's basement. Yeah, you could trade gold with trade day. You just can't trade a lot of it. Where's gold? See, I could still trade gold, bro. You just can't trade minis. You could trade as many as 4 micros on the 50Ks. I don't know what it is on the other size accounts. I don't focus on those. See, look, 4. But if I try to get an order for 5, it will reject it.
Order rejected.
So you can still trade you can still trade gold on trade day. You just can't trade with the size you might want to. Did you see what just happened? So right there, I would have had, for like the slightest fleeting moment right there, I would have had 10 points if I kept my order here. If I kept my order here, I would have had 10 points. But like literally, as soon as it dropped down here, it fucking bounced. We got new hour fuckery happening. I mean, it could keep going down, so I missed an opportunity. Whoop-de-doo. I got all fucking night. Well, later. And then I got all day tomorrow. What do I have to get to? Oh, let me scroll through all these payouts. Oh, man. I used to be a bunch of cats. I'm not the one you be a bunch of accounts. Stupid fucks. Anyway, charts. 561 and 562 are these. I feel like, yeah, day 12. I feel like these are like really close to another payout. So that's the payout. First day. I mean, that day I got a flip day in, most likely, right? First 50, second, third. So I need 2 more $50 days on these. I definitely want to get these traded. 561 and 562. They're already at 3,300, 32 and 3,300. So 2 more $50 days. Let's say I get like 500 or 600 across both of them. I flip the rest of the way to win at least. If I could get the job done, I still got to get the job done, but I'm just talking it out. I'm thinking out loud, like what's his face? What a fucking loser. No, it's not 572, actually. It's 576. Get your shit right. Get your shit right. It's 576. What's your fucking point? Hey, at least tell everybody who you really are. At least tell everybody who you really are instead of being a fucking troll behind fucking burner accounts. We got FOMC minutes tomorrow. Five lucid 50Ks. Why not? If you max them out, if you get max payouts on 5 of them, you could do that 6 times. So literally every 5 days, you could be getting fucking 10 grand. I can't wait to get the PA account number 1,000. You know how much money, if I get the PA number 1,000, you know how much fucking money I will have probably made from trading? Do you go on Patrick Weiland's fucking streams and say PA number 2,000? I'm not even close to these guys. What a fucking jerk off. Yeah, it's the same fucking loser being logged into 2 accounts to talk shit to me. Still mad, still fucking salty because he got kicked out of my Discord 100 fucking times. No, it ain't him. It ain't him. He's too busy posting, ferociously in 400 other Discords. What's Brian Stonks up to? That dude's got to be up to like 1,200 or 1,500 PAs by now. He's up to so many he doesn't even show his accounts. Worried about me. Hey, give me your starter cap. I'll give you an autograph. They'll just create a new account and act like they're being cool. It's like the dumbest fucking thing ever. I already broke down that I'm fucking profitable by a lot. Like, what's the fucking point? Imagine it was the Golden Boy. Could you imagine him creating troll accounts to come on my stream? Instead of posting his broker statements. This shit ain't fucking happening. Where's gold at? Fuck me, man. You know what? I don't even know if I want to. It's too busy getting the fucking panda eye from Paytech. Oh man, in the hidden office at HQ. It's so weird. I get $110,000 in payouts in the last 3 months, and I'm still being talked to like I was still trading like I was 2 years ago. It's fucking weird. Markel, what up? Weird flexing, weird type of flexing. I fucking dig myself out of a hole, pay off all my tuition, and I'm still getting trolled for it. It's the fucking dumbest thing ever. See, like, look, like right here, that was so short, motherfucker. That shit was so short-lived. That drop right here, I wouldn't have had it unless my take profit was in that area. The only way I would have gotten out of this trade green by fucking 8 or 9 points is if I had my take profit here. Otherwise, it bounced right as soon as it happened. Concept. Well, at least you were able to minimize the damage. Down 100 is nothing. What's going on here? Am I almost going to get filled here? What the fuck? Olivier, that's great news. That's great news. I'm very, look at that. Gold just popped. I'm very fucking confident. I am of the belief that your next payout won't take you 8 months. I bet you'll do it in less than half the time. Maybe you'll do it in 2 weeks. Maybe you could get another payout in a week from now. What did you do different? Did you do something different? That shit just popped. Did the NQ do the same thing? Yeah, look. They literally do the same fucking shit now. They used to be, you know, they used to do the opposite. If gold was going up, the NQ was going down. Now they literally move the same. Don't worry about how long it took you to get that payout. Just be focused on the fact that you just got paid $3,000 and build from there. Is it really gonna fucking hold here? I missed 2 opportunities, just missed. Well, this one, you know, I don't know. I don't know how it would have went, but this one for sure I missed out on. Because I didn't have my order at the 707. I had it at the 786, which was a little bit higher. Well, there you go, bro. You solved the problem. Now just keep working. Yeah. You think I'm gonna focus on, like, look at all the times look at what I did last night. I'm still a little annoyed about what I did to those fucking accounts last night, but I'm over it. They're in the process of being replaced right now. Did I let it fucking ruin my entire thing and blow up a bunch of other accounts? No, I fucking got $500 plus on all of my take profit trader fundeds. I locked in another fucking payout on Apex. You know, it's just, you just got to keep it moving, man. We beat ourselves up way too much with this shit. This shit's fucking hard. You made the proper adjustment. Now just build from here. Same spot. What the fuck? I think it's going to go higher. I don't know. Oh, look how close I came to getting filled. Oh. Investors, what up? Nothing. Just trying to get filled in a fucking trade. Just trying to get filled over here before I have to fucking head out. I got to eat too, but I don't know if I want to eat on the stream. You fucked up your funded? Fucked up like blown, or just you fucked it up and you got to fucking, you know, claw your way out of the deficit? Yeah, I mean, that's investors. I mean, whatever, man. Just do it again. Not blow it again, but, you know, just keep it moving. Yeah, I'm with you on. I used to trade fucking options. The cool thing about prop firms is that, like, for around $100, let's say you did it in one account. You got one account and you pass it. You take it to a payout for around $100. You could literally get thousands of dollars potentially. The fucking, you know, it's minimal. As long as you're not a full blown, you know, as long as you don't do what I used to do. I was literally blowing through account after account after account. And you might have to go through that. I just hope you don't have to. What up, Lance? Chuck Boris Norris. Can you have? No. I don't have more than 5. These have been blown since the beginning of January. They're just still in here for some reason, which is fucking annoying. I have 5 right here. And then I had this eval come through on a fucking rebill. Yeah, they're just leaving them in here to remind me of how much I suck sometimes. It's like, here you go, asshole. But I have these 5. I'm at $1,460. I did get some payouts out of these, but not nearly enough. Not nearly as much as I thought I would have been able to. But they're in there to remind me that I could be a fucking idiot. It was 150Ks too. Those are fucking nice accounts to have. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. concept. I'm not saying like that trading options is bad. I'm just saying that trading prop firms is good. You just got to be smart about it, you know? It's definitely a great way to skill up. You know, learning how to trade futures with prop firms instead of just like right now with Apex, for example. Right now with, oh my God. Now I'm fucking annoyed. Now I'm fucking pissed because right here, I'd have 11 points. I'd have a couple $100 and another day in the books on this account, 554. I thought it was going to go up more. Look at that shit go. So I guess that 786 held, right? So let me go back to it. Let me bring this back down. Let me bring this back down to this high where I had it originally, right here. We wicked over the 786 a couple times, and then it finally fucking rejected off of it. 40. It went down to 46. My order was at 63, so I would have been in pain for a little bit, right? I would have been down like $140 a couple of times, but at the end of the day, as long as I didn't let myself get stopped out, I would have been fucking good. I would have been more than happy with that. But like for example, with Apex, you could buy $2,500 worth of drawdown for $19.70 right now. If you pass the account, you hit the $3,000 profit target. Then for $75 more, you have your funded account, and you're all in for less than $100, and you have $2,500 of drawdown to work with. If you wanted $2,500 of drawdown in a live account, in a personal account, let's say, you would need to throw in $2,500. So in that regard, it's great. And if I would like the amount of money I blew through to fucking finally figure this shit out and get consistent, I would have been done in like a month or two if I was trying to do it with a personal account versus just buying accounts. So I don't know. Oh, nice, Ghost. I love when it works out in our favor. J Stores, the flexes are very similar, bro. Like look at my drawdown. I can't believe I didn't get filled. I can't fucking believe I just missed getting filled. Maybe I will. Maybe it'll come back up, but look at how much drawdown I have. I only have 1,300 plus on each of these accounts, and this is after getting 3 days in. Let me see. Let me go to my dashboard. Fuck. Hold on. I gotta log in. One sec. Oh, am I logged? What? It says I'm logged in. What? I don't know. Something's up with their side. I can't get to my portal. Account details. No. I know that we're working on the site. Oh, launch trading dashboard. Let's see. There we go. I'm in now. All right, hold on a sec. Hold on. Hold up, though. Let me turn my screen back on. Let's just take a little peek here. Just make sure. Damn, just fucking missed. Like that looks, yeah, that's 40 ticks, and 40 ticks seems like a lot, but it's really not, considering we just fucking bounced. Like we just popped from 224 to 360. We popped 140 ticks out of nowhere, and what would be another 40 ticks to fill me? I can't believe this. This I'm annoyed about. I'm so mad I could just scream. Let's see what's going on here, and then we'll go back to my Lucid accounts. Oh, look, it bounced off the 786. What a fucking surprise. Now it bounces off the 786, but whatever. Let me expand this lower to this low. $786 is at 728. 707 here. Oh, it's about the same spot. I'll put an order here in case it comes down this far. In case it comes down this far, which will also be very fucking annoying considering I had an order here at 63 and change and I fucking moved it. I'd be done right now with this account. And I would have actually gotten into a fucking trade. but I was scared. Am I working on? No, these aren't new Lucids. They're the same ones. I just got paid on them. Did I turn this back on? All right, cool. I just got paid on all of these. So what happened was, if I go to the payouts, here they are. These are the accounts. 12. See, like, here's another thing with Lucid. They go up in order just like Apex. So you could fucking hold influencers accountable and make sure they're not fucking, hiding their shit. 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I took 50%, right? Because that's what you're allowed to take. So all of these accounts had this account had, let's say this account had 1,216. This had 1,206. This one had 1,200 and fucking 1,220. Melissa, what you doing? What? What kind of tacos did you make? The ones with like the peppers and the beans in them? Oh, the street tacos? Damn, I gotta eat that taco. I mean those tacos. So look, like when you take a payout from a Lucid Flex, you're literally left with whatever's left over in your profit minus $100. So these accounts were literally left with, this account was left with 576, this had 508, this had 503, this had 508, and this had 510 in drawdown. Which is basically, as far as I'm concerned, you're down to that much drawdown, you're in fucking trouble. So that's why I only have, fortunately, I was able to build the accounts up. I built them up by like $700 or $800. Trading for keeps, what up? How much am I up overall with Lucid? Hold on. Since day one? Well, I started trading with them in October. Let me see. All right, hold on. I was making sure I see my numbers right. And I'm on the right spreadsheet. What's going on here? Oh, here we go. Man, what a fucking trade that would have been. Watch this shit blow through this like it wasn't even there. I would laugh. I laugh my ass off. Like, we laughing like that. What's going on here? Oh, am I going to get filled here? All of this shit's about to happen as I'm like getting ready to fucking get off because I got to like eat and then go hit. Like I should be leaving my house to go hit in no more than 20 minutes. Nice job, Jay Stores. Way to not be a pussy like me. That trading for keeps, yeah, that flex. I'm going to show you what I did so far overall. What up, Denny? So check this. Here we go. So this is what I spent total. This is what I spent at Lucid, 5,245 total. And then these are all my payouts. 16,951. 16,951 minus 52.45. 11,706 in profit since October 16th. Any dumb fuck who likes to troll me have anything to say about that? Is that not good enough? Is that not fucking good enough? Stupid fucks. Oh my God, is it not going to fill me here? Amon, there's your answer, my friend. Yeah, I know. It's just fucking weird, man. The shit I fucking get every once in a while from weirdos. I finally pay off all my Apex tuition after fucking 2 years and 4 months or whatever it was. I finally get profitable overall a month before that, and people still have shit to say. It's like, why? And now I'm like, in the last fucking 3 months, I'm profitable by almost 6 fucking figures. Or not even 3 months, 10 fucking weeks. It's just never be good enough for some people. They'll still have shit to say. Look at all this email. You blew a bunch of funded accounts. Yeah, so people don't blow funded accounts. We know Rips does. Every other fucking day, apparently. How many fucking PAs is PW up to? And Brian Stonks? They'll never just come out and tell you. You have to ask. You have to pry it from their fucking cold dead hands, or they'll slip and show it by accident, and that's fine. They want to. That's fine. I don't care. Why am I getting shit? This is fucking weird. Still can't get over the fact that I finally figured this shit out. Can't be happy for me. Oh my God, look at all those PAs. Oh yeah, look at them. I'm showing them to you. I don't give a fuck. It doesn't make sense rinsing them? Investors, you talking about the flexes? I might get filled on this shit. You just got to be careful. The only way you're going to have all of your drawdown on the flexes is if you take the max payout, because you're going to have what's left over, right? You might end up with 1,900. It'll be half of your fucking profit if you take a max payout. Let's say you get to 4,000, you take in 2,000, and you'll have 1,900 left or some shit like that. Some people, Coach Eddie. Yeah, I know. There's something with their resolution or something, bro. I think it's their resolution. My resolution's working. Yeah, blue screen. I don't know, and that's fine. That's fine. But don't be posting on Twitter that you had a $31,000 day in your 150K accounts. Hide your account numbers and then block someone for asking you what you're up to. And then 2 weeks later, you're 3 sets deep in 250Ks. Saying I'm going for $1 million. Good. I hope you do. I hope he does. I think that's great. I hope he does. You know what that means? If he gets to $1 million, more 90% off deals for the rest of us. Amadou, nice fucking job, man. I hope I get filled, but I'm about to get filled, and now I'm almost wishing I didn't get filled. Oh, I just missed it. Now, look, let's see. I might get filled, and I gotta fucking go. Of course, it literally took the entire fucking stream that high. There's a 786 with that being the high. That's where I have this order here, and then I just put more orders in other places because of this being the high and this being the high. Imagine it just blows through all of it and I get burned. But yeah, blue screen. Lance, do I trade a private account with futures? No. I do have crypto accounts I trade, like exchange accounts and shit. But I don't trade those all that much. I kind of just really wait for shit there. Because crypto moves really fucking slow compared to futures. But there's no reason for me to go get a personal account on futures when I could just keep doing this with prop firms. There's no reason for it. I don't know. I do kind of want to get back into options, but I'm might as well keep my focus on this shit. V33, I have a feeling I know who it is. And that person, they got kicked out of the Discord 30 fucking times. And then the last time they were in there, we were begging and pleading to be allowed to stay in there. It's just weird. After completely fucking disrespecting me and all this shit, why the fuck would I let anybody who disrespects me hang out in my fucking community? What am I, fucking stupid? Denny, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, progress is good. I'm cool with haters and shit, but just fucking be honest about it. You're picking the wrong reasons to fucking hate on me. All I've ever been is fucking fully open and transparent about my whole fucking journey. I literally made videos about my fucking P&L on Apex, and it's being used against me by fucking losers. Lance, yeah, bro. I'm with you on that. Why would you when you know, I'm not saying it's not like people do, and that's fine. But the people who do and don't fuck with prop firms and shit on prop firms are fucking assholes and are ignorant about what prop firms have to offer. So they have rules and this, that, and the other thing. And you got to fucking play by the rules. So what? Like, look at how I got fucking, right now I have 21, 26 funded accounts, or 27 funded accounts. 15, I have 26 funded accounts right now. Something like that. What do I have? I have 15 with Apex, 5 with Take Profit Trader, 5 with Lucid. 25. What? I don't even know. Yeah, I think that's about right. Yeah. You get so much more leverage. And guess what? If you were trading metals, you would have gotten fucking hosed when they did all those margin calls. You would have gotten fucking smoked. When they increased the margin and all that shit, you would have been in a position thinking you were making all this money, you were up, you were swinging overnight or whatever you were doing, and then all of a sudden, next thing you know, they're fucking telling you, you know, sorry, buddy, we got to bail out the fucking banks. What's up, Dylan? CME does have rules, exactly. Yeah. You know when I'll trade a personal account? When I have no other fucking choice. When it comes to trading futures. I literally have to I know what's going to happen. I got to fucking bounce, and I'm going to get fucking filled here. Or you know what's going to happen? Like this fucking zone right here, this zone of orders I have right here is going to get picked up and filled, and it's going to fucking dump. And I'm not going to be here. And I'm going to fucking come back and be like, you got to be fucking kidding me. Even this too. Like this is going to get filled. Like I got to eat and get the fuck out of here. Yeah, Adam B. Exactly. I get it. See, like you could do both. You could do one or the other. But which one is better is based on, it's all a matter of opinion. I personally don't think I need to trade a personal account when I could trade all these fucking prop firm accounts. And you think you like trading personal better. That's a matter of preference. But one isn't fucking shit and one is good. They're both good. It's basically what's best for whoever it is that's fucking considering doing one or the other or both or whatever. You missed nothing. You miss me canceling that order or moving that order up here, and it actually eventually finally fucking dropped, and I got literally nothing. I sat here and all we just did was have a little fucking patty cake powwow session. Yeah, Adam, exactly, bro. But there's literally people that are out there, they literally trash prop firms. And then they sell courses on how to trade futures, but with personal accounts. But they trash prop firms. They're just doing it for clout and to get fucking views. Yeah. Yeah. Or they'll say people will like when I fucking anytime Rips comes up and I don't hate the guy. I just don't like him because he fucking blocked me for asking him what PA he was up to instead of just being cool and say, yeah, bro, I'm up to fucking PA number fucking 321. Who fucking cares? But some people will defend him and say, oh, he just fucking gambles with the prop firm accounts. He doesn't even take them seriously. I was like, all right. Oh, but it's okay. But why doesn't he take them serious when people that are using his codes and watching his fucking stream are fucking follow him into these fucking shit trades he takes? Because they're idiots, but that's besides the point. But take it a little bit more seriously. You got people buying accounts, they want to show you support, and you're fucking not taking it seriously. You basically fucking, it's a joke to you. I don't know if that's true, but it definitely comes across that way, especially with the people who defend them. Not to mention he called everybody anyone who has a job a wage cuck. Susu Bear, what up? It's just weird. It's just funny to me. I just find it all funny. This shit cracks me up. Motherfucker. Oh boy. Oh, I literally just missed getting. Are you fucking serious? Look at this. It came 2 ticks away from filling my order. Maybe 1 tick. And it's dropped 27 points. 27 ticks, I mean. Oh, he just said he's not going to show them anymore? Yeah. Sounds like he's having a little bit of a rough time. Why would you not show them? All you've ever done was brag about them. Now, all of a sudden, you don't want to show them anymore. That's fucking funny. My broker statement. Just say you fucking blew them up. I'm canceling all this shit because I got to go. Before I get filled. Oh, look. I literally, fuck me, bro. I literally just missed getting filled by, look, 2 fucking ticks. 2 fucking ticks. And it's down 30. It went down more than 30. It went down 35 ticks. It's going to fucking drop. Oh, my God. Maybe. I don't know. But I'm canceling everything because I got to go. I can't believe that just happened. That would, look, finally would have gotten filled. 2 fucking ticks. I would have had $180, $200. I don't even know. Whatever it was. Or $120 times fucking 5. So fucking annoying. Yeah, that's why I that's like me saying I don't trade. I'm not going to show you my Apex accounts anymore. Yo, look at that fucking bounce. I had my order like seven fucking. You know why? Look what I did. Watch this. Again, I went with the fucking lower low because I was being conservative. That low right there, well, that was actually a 618 bounce. So, nah, I'm okay with that. This right here, almost a 786. Anyway, I got to fucking bounce. I got to bounce. Hey, Adam, I got to put together a course on how to trade the fibs. How much does she sell her shit for? And then sell it for like $5,000. I won't be that greedy. Maybe I'll say like, a $997. And then I don't like purple though. I don't even really like Ferraris. Look at that 786 rejection. So far, it's like 7 points or 8 points. But yeah, sorry guys. Sorry I couldn't take any trades. I passed up. I literally fucked myself out of a great opportunity. But whatever. I didn't lose money. Still got day 3 locked on these. We talked about prop firms, and at least I gave gave away some of my, what's been working for me. Hopefully somebody got some value out of it. $500. All right, maybe I'll do 200. PW has his shit for $200. Mostly written by fucking AI. Maybe he has some of his own personal videos in there. $200. I don't know. We'll see. Or you know what? When you guys ask how much it is, I'll say, well, how much is in your bank account? Maybe I'll sell it for $8,500 like JCap, and then yell at you guys for asking me the same fucking questions. Anyway, I got to bounce for real. I got to leave in like 5 minutes. I want to eat something real quick. So thank you so much for hanging out. Watch this sit dump. Literally, I miss getting filled by 2 ticks. This thing's going to fucking unload. Dynamic pricing. It all depends on what's in your bank account or on your credit card, what's available. That shit happens in real life, though. Look at that. Down fucking, look at this. 40 ticks. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Peace. Oh, and join the Discord. I'll drop the link in the chat one more time. Join the Discord. It's free for now.